Hi, in front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. Firstly, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and access it in the background. To do that, with trickiest navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Then tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Split Screen. Now tap on the second app. As you can see, after that, I can use both at the same time. In order to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!